Tyler Ramos. Tyler Ramos.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Frankie Candles, and every day on this channel I show you guys how you can make money trading crypto, whether the prices are going up or down. Let's get a little more let me get a little more personal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for being here. Who do we got in chat? Let's see. Tyler Durden, thank you for being here. You were also here yesterday. Frankie Fibonacci, I like it. I like it. My name is Frankie Candles, but Frankie Fibonacci works good. I like Fibonacci. Let's see. Flip Burger, thank you for being in here. Captain BT Crypto, good to see you again. V Slim, good to see you again. We were chatting last night. Thank you for coming back. Nino, thank you for hopping in. I hope you guys are having a great day. I have really good news. So I finished my Femex tutorial. Let me get these headphones off so I don't have to hear my own voice echoing. I finished my Femex tutorial today, and let me know when you guys want to see that. Do you guys want me to release that tonight, or you want me to wait and release it in the morning so you guys can watch it and then have all day to try and make some trades? Let me know. I'm thinking about maybe releasing it tonight. Give you guys a little early access. But we go over, I kind of cover just the basics of leverage trading, what leverage is, what longing is, what shorting is. We talk about stop losses. We just kind of go over the very, very basics, and then I show you how to actually use Femex as a platform, how to actually enter a trade, what you guys have to do, settings to stay away from to avoid getting wrecked. So we got a good show today. We're going to be looking at, we're going to do some live analysis on Bitcoin. Guys, are we going to break out? I mean, we're right there. We're right there. I think if we're going to break out, it's going to happen. It's going to happen very soon, but we will be taking a look at that. We're going to take a look at Solana, which has been making some big moves recently. And then we're going to do a little Q&A. And then I'll just kind of see what you guys think, what you guys want to see. And, we'll go from there. Yesterday, we did hit our like goal. And thanks to that, my legs are jello today. If you guys were not in the stream yesterday, you'll know that I'll let you guys know they had me doing wall sits. If you're new to the stream, every time we hit a like goal, I take a little challenge from the chat. And, I try to get it done for you guys. We've chugged a bang so far. I did a wall sit. We did 50 push-ups. They seem to be getting crazier and crazier every day. I don't know what today's going to be. We'll see. Let's set the like goal. Yesterday, I think we did a little over 200. Let's get 250. Let's get solid over 250 and, put it in chat what you guys want to see. And I'll try to get it done for you guys. Okay. So let's hop on over to TradingView. Okay, I was going to say the chat was a little delayed here. Okay, wow, missed a lot of chats here. Bada bing bong. Jimmy, he's back. Jimmy's back. I like it. What's going on, man? Thanks for coming back to the stream. Everyday Smile. Already liked, baby. Okay, Everyday Smile. Is your name Everyday Smile because you come here to get your smile every day when we hit that like goal, and you guys torture me and you watch me just struggling, shaking on the wall, waiting for me to crush my burrito. Oh, that was the other thing. I had my burrito underneath me, so if I failed on the wall sit, I was getting crushing my burrito. Who else we got in here? Real quick, Adrian, Soundscapes. Thank you. Woo woo. Thank you for coming through. Hit the like button if you haven't. We're going for over 250 likes, and I will be taking a random challenge from the chat. Please be kind. Don't hurt me too much. I will say this. The wall sits are probably out of the question today because, like I said, my legs are already jello from last night, but we'll find something else good to do. Let's see. Illusions of Hope. What's up, man? Thank you for coming in. Part-time Chemist. Hey, what is going on, man? I met Part-time Chemist at the BitBoy Crypto Meetup in Texas. Great talking to you, man. It was really, really cool meeting you. I had a good time chatting with you. Thank you for coming back to the stream. Welcome back. Smash that like button. Scott, thank you for coming through. Wow, we got a lot of people in chat today. Crypto Anon, thank you for coming back. Let's see. Steven, thank you for coming. Part-time. Hey, man, thanks for the content. Hit those likes, people. Hit those likes. Hit those likes. We got Jimmy the Paisan in here. Do what you gotta do. Forget about it, Jimmy. Forget about it. All right, guys. Let's hop into the charts here. Let's give you some value. Hopefully, you guys can learn something from the stream. If you guys have questions, drop them in the chat. I will try to keep an eye on them. Actually, let me just move the chat over here so I can keep a better eye on it. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything that I'm saying or anything that you guys want to see, just put it down there in chat, and if I see it, I will try to answer it. Like I said, I'm looking to provide value for you guys. I'm trying to learn. We had I don't remember his username, but we did have a couple people in the chat yesterday saying that they are starting to make money from watching this content. So I hope I can get that done for everybody here. But for the fourth time, without further ado, let's jump into the charts. Okay. Okay, so here we are looking at Bitcoin. Excuse me if I'm looking all over the place. Move some stuff around on the setup here. But here we are on Bitcoin. This is the 3-minute degen chart. I swear I wasn't looking at a 3-minute chart, guys. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. All right, guys. Let's see what we're working with here. So actually, let me come down to this other chart that I have. It's a little bit cleaner. Where are we at? Right here. Okay. Well, just as messy, but okay. here we go. Maybe okay. You know what? Let's make a clean chart. We'll draw some lines on it so you guys can just kind of watch me do that. All right, guys. So Bitcoin on the daily, we're gonna put a trend. We have been. Oh, just heard the Lambo start up outside. Ben must be leaving. Oh, that thing sounds so good. Hopefully one day I will have one and we can make some content out of it. But anyway, so we are in this long-term downtrend that we have been wrestling with for quite some time. So let's get this bottom line over here. Just quick and dirty here, guys. Quick and dirty. I just want to get the boom. Okay. So this is the long-term downtrend. This is really the important line we got to think about. This is the line that we need to break to continue this bullish action, right? We're having a brief relief pump. Didn't mean to rhyme that. Brief relief pump. But, until we are breaking out of this long-term downtrend, that we need to get over that line, guys, to continue this bullish momentum. And if we do, I think it could be very, 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 very big. Let's come down to a lower time frame. Let's look at the 15-minute. So, yeah, I mean, actually, let's go to the 4 hours. Zoom in a little bit. When I say zoom in, I just mean going to a lower time frame, just so we get a closer look, some more information to see how the price is reacting, right? So, okay, so this is about the area that we're looking to break out of. Coincidentally, it is just around 40K, right? Just around the 40K area. This is going to be a big psychological resistance. But basically what I'm keeping an eye on here is we want to come up, as you guys know yesterday. Let me pull up the other chart. I don't know if I still have the lines drawn. Let me get rid of that. Okay. So I do believe this line moved, but yeah, guys. So yesterday we were, what is this? 38. Yeah, we were looking. We'll just forget about this line, but we're looking to break out of here. We're gonna see if we can do it. If we can break out of here, right, and we can flip into support and continue this movement up, that's what we're looking for to see the continued bullish action. Don't know what word I'm looking for, but if we don't see that happen, right, I like to give you guys a bullish case and a bearish case, right? Because TA and trading is a game of probability, right? So no one knows 100%. If you have someone who says that they think that they know 100% what the price is going to do, you could be very confident. But if someone's telling you they know 100%, they're lying to you. If they say they win 100% of their trades, they're lying to you. But it's a game of probability, right? So, if the probability is higher that we're going up, or whether the probability is higher that we're going low or going down, it could go either way, right? So I just like to give you guys the bullish case and the bearish case, and then if I'm feeling, if I'm leaning more one way or the other because of certain confirmations, then I'll let you guys know that. But I do like to give you guys the bullish case and the bearish case because if you watch the channel, we like to be prepared in either direction. If we go up, we're prepared. If we're going down, we're prepared. We're making money either way. We're making cake, cheddar, bagels, baguettes. We're making that bread, people. Either way, if we're dumping or pumping, we're making that bread. Right? We're not in the New York bagel factory for nothing, right? We're out here counting the sesame seeds so you don't have to. But anyway, so yeah, so in a more bullish scenario, right, we get this breakout, right? We get this breakout. Let's go back down to that other chart. I got to get rid of some of these coins here so I can move around a little quicker. So if we can get this breakout, right, and we can start moving to the upside, that's the scenario everyone's hoping for, right? Because we got our long-term bags, we want everything to pump. But, if we do come down, sorry guys, I'm just flip-flopping all over these charts. I gotta make a stream chart so it's all ready for you guys. But yeah, so right here, we're coming to this area, big resistance. So let's take a look back and see how this resistance has treated us in the past. It hasn't been good. Spoiler alert, it has not been good. So we got a hard rejection there. Let's see, what did that bring us down? So we got that rejection, and whatever that brought us down about 21%, actually a little more than that, right? We got another rejection right there, which brought us down 12% short term, but we continued coming down there, 24%, right? So, and then we didn't really test it there, but we tested it over here. Let's see this over some, this took some time to play out, but I mean, these are 31. This trend line is not nice at all. It crushes us. But I do want to say that I'm feeling a little bit bullish, guys. I'm not saying, anything's certain, but, I think there is a chance that we could possibly break out here. I think like I said yesterday on the stream, I think there's a little bit, the more and more I'm reading the news, right? I watch the charts a lot, but, we're also keeping an eye on the news, watching videos. And I just feel like in the crypto community, I feel like, there's a little bit of bullish sentiment kind of starting to creep back in, right? But so let's see where this could bring us. If it brings us down, let's say an average of, we've been dumping 30%. Let's say we dump 30% from here, right? Where does that bring us? Woo, baby, right? We're in the mid 20s at that point, right? But if it brings us down 21%, because we've seen that in the past, this is kind of what I'm expecting, guys. If we do see the more bearish scenario play out, right? I gave you the bullish scenario, right? We break out of here, boom, and we come up. Let's see. And then the more bearish scenario, right? We reject like we did back here, and we come down. Where would I expect to land? Kind of right around here, right? Whether it's a fast dump down or we ride out a little bit. I'm kind of watching this green area, this green zone, which is between, I believe, about 31.4 and 28. Yep, around 29. So this is kind of the area that I'm looking for. That's kind of where I would expect the price to go if we do get a hard rejection off of this level. But as you can see, if you look here, these past, every other time we came up to this line, you can see that, we came up and we tapped it and we just got an instant mega dump down, just smashed down, right? If you right again, right here, boom, 2 big candles, smashed right back down, right? We're playing around up here, right? We're hanging out. We're approaching with caution. We already touched the line a couple of times. We wicked to that level. So it isn't playing out exactly like all the other times that we saw it. So maybe we see something play out a little different. It doesn't. History does not have to repeat itself. They say history doesn't always repeat itself, but it rhymes. It rhymes. It doesn't always repeat. I think you guys know the saying, but. Yeah, so I'm basically watching this level, right? Because if we're going to get a hard rejection, I'm looking to short it. And if we get a breakout, I'll be looking to long it. Very, 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 very key area to watch. This is the line, guys. We must break through it to continue bullish action. So let's see. Also, if we do come back down, maybe we see a little bit of support around this zone. But as you can see, sometimes these moves, these bounces off this trend line are usually pretty hectic. Maybe that's not the word. Pretty harsh. All right, let's check chat here. What do we got going on? Mark Stone, thank you for hopping in, man. Hit the likes if you have not already. TD, thank you for popping in. I think I've seen you in a couple of my other streams, so thank you for coming back. Smash the likes, log in on your TV. We had someone yesterday that logged in on their iPhone, their iPad, their TV, their computer, their laptop, their desktop. They logged in like their PlayStation. Like they were liking all over just because they wanted to see me do wall sits and crush my burrito. So TD, I'm putting that on you. You got to log into at least 5 different devices and like this button. But thank you for being here. Jimmy Skumbach, what's going on, brother? Thank you for being here. Frederick, thank you for hopping back in. All right, let's see here. It's warm enough tonight that I'm going to ride my motorcycle to work. All right, Captain BC Crypto, I like that. I don't have a motorcycle, but I do think they're cool. Jimmy, forget about it. Jimmy, keep these little New York Italian sayings in the chat. I just like saying them. I just like reading chat and being able to be like, forget about it. Anyway. Let's see. I need bread. I'm hungry. Steven, we're going to try to get you some bread. Yeah, where's the super chat at? TD. So I was trying to figure this out. Someone asked that yesterday. People are wanting to send some super chats. I got to look into that. I was recording all day. I did finish. If you guys just hopped in, I did finish the Femex tutorial. We covered all the basics. I show you guys how to enter trades exactly. It's step by step, super simple. So that is done. I'm going to upload it later tonight or tomorrow morning. Put hashtag ASAP if you want me to upload it tonight. After we get out of here. But if you guys want to wait till tomorrow, let me know. But put hashtag ASAP if you want to see that come up as soon as we get off the stream so you guys can get up and running and start running those trades. Let's see. Pump them likes. Sky Monkey, thank you for that. Hit the like. I have many accounts. Done deal. TD took the challenge. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Let's see. Where do we see the wall sits? Jason, the wall sits were in yesterday's stream. If you just go to the channel and click on yesterday's live stream at the end, you should watch the whole stream because we dropped some good knowledge, and people were saying they were learning some good stuff. But if you want to just see the wall sits, it was at the end of the stream. When trading tutorials, Femex tutorial is up. Tomorrow, I plan on uploading key levels video, and then I'm going to be recording. I am doing most of this myself. I'm recording and editing and doing the live streams and prepping for the live streams and doing everything. So I'm doing, I'm working very hard getting them out. But Femex tutorial tonight, tomorrow, we will get the key, how to find key levels video out. And then we're going to get into a bunch of other stuff, some market cipher stuff, trading strategy stuff. We're gonna get up and running. We're cooking now, right? Like we got this first Femex video coming out. This is just the start of the avalanche. We're just gonna start coming out, content coming out all the time. And then on these live streams too, guys, while these tutorial videos are coming out, shoot your questions in the chat. I'll try to answer them live. And, hopefully you guys can get some value there. ASAP. Okay, you guys want the Femex tutorial. I will upload it tonight. I just finished it. I just got the thumbnail literally 2 minutes before we went live. So as soon as we get off, I will hop back on the computer and I will upload that for you so you guys can check it out. Let's see. Bada bing bang. You're a friend of ours, Jimmy Two Shoes. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Let's see. I'm on Coinbase. I have a wallet. I don't know how to do all that. CA, can you? I don't know how to do all that. Can you help? Little Bird, if you could just reword that question. I'm 100% sure of your question. You don't know how to use Coinbase? I'll try to clear that up for you. Can I show the spider lines again? Yes, I will do that in just a minute. We can go back over the spider lines. Yes, Jonathan, we're gonna do beginner technical analysis. We're gonna do technical analysis 101. We're gonna demystify it, keep it simple. Excuse me. We're going to keep it simple. We're not going to overcomplicate things. We're not going to have a bazillion lines on the chart. We're going to keep it simple, get in and out of the trades. We will have these videos coming out very, 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 very soon. Like I said, we just moved into this new building. Everything is still, in the works as far as the building goes, the studios. But it's all coming together now. So these videos are going to start coming out consistently, and you guys are going to be learning a lot. How did you get into crypto? How did I get into crypto? In 2016, I believe it was, I think it was just I saw a YouTube video. So I've always been into stocks and technical analysis. I've just kind of, since high school, I've just been interested in doing stocks. Honestly, if going to college wasn't such a traditional thing that everybody kind of did, I might have just tried to do that and not went to college. But hey, life plays out a certain way for a reason. But I've always been into stocks, always been into reading the charts. And then in 2016, I just remember seeing a video about crypto and got in 2016, bought some Ripple, bought some Litecoin, bought some ETH, bought some Bitcoin, just kind of, dabbling around, playing around with it, made a little bit of money, learned a lot of lessons, and I was hooked and then the bear market came, right? And I was like, I'm still looking at altcoins. I'm like, I could get into this altcoin and this altcoin, not knowing anything about the cycles. If you guys want to talk about the cycles or if you don't know what I'm talking about as the Bitcoin cycles, just put it in chat and I'll clarify, but I don't want to waste your time if you guys already know. But didn't know anything about the Bitcoin cycles, didn't realize we were in a bear market, and I was kind of sad when I found out. I'm like, oh, wow, this thing's going to be down for a while. These prices are going to be low. I guess I can't make money now. But then I found out about leverage trading and shorting, and I'd learned that you could short the market and make money on the way down, and that was like, oh, I was super happy about that because I love trading. I like actively trading. I enjoy it. Some people think it's a lot of people are like, oh, I'd rather just swing trade, which is fine, or not swing trade, or just I'd rather long term invest. It's safer, it's less stressful. Sure, that's totally fine. It's a great, great, very successful strategy. But I just, I enjoy trading. I like the rush. Like I was saying yesterday, I'm from New York. I'm used to the hustle and bustle of the New York City streets. You know what I'm saying? Getting pushed out of the way and pushing people. I'm trying to get to work. Just like the hustle and bustle. So I like the action. But yeah, so I found out you could short, and then I was hooked. I just dove in. And I'm the type of person that, like, when I get into something, like I'm an all or nothing guy, right? So I do nothing in moderation, absolutely nothing. So TA, trading, I'm not just like dabbling in it. It consumes my entire life. YouTube, now consuming my entire life. These streams were originally, I think, were supposed to be like a half hour to an hour, but you guys hang around, you stick around. I like hanging out with you. So I think our average is like 2 hours. So, and I'm having a blast. Doesn't even feel like work. Let's see. But yeah, that's how I got into crypto. I've been in ever since. And then, this cycle has been exciting. And now we are at where we are. And, it's we're at this breaking point here. We want to make sure we can see if we can break out of this long-term downtrend and start maybe the bulls could come back in and we can start pushing this thing back up. You know what I'm saying? And we'll finally be able to find out if we're in an extended cycle or if we are in a bear market. Because that is the $1 million question. Are we in a bear market? I'm not ready to throw the towel in yet. I think there is. If you guys watch the stream, you'll know why. There's a few reasons why I think that an extended cycle can play out, and maybe we'll go over that in a little bit. Real quick, let's just check chat. Let's see here. Jim Martin, I love you too. I love you too, man. I'm gonna call you Jimmy because you're family now. You know what I'm saying? Like, your name's Jimmy. You know what I'm saying? You love me, I love you. We're family. That's Uncle Jimmy right there, guys. Uncle Jimmy. Let's see. TD3D, I see you. I see you. I see you. I love you, man. Let's see. Is the Femex a course or going to be on YouTube? Jimmy, the Femex video is going to be a YouTube video. It's going to go out right after the stream. You can watch it tonight, right after the stream. And basically, you can get off this stream, watch that Femex tutorial, open your account. If you guys want to use my Femex referral link, I'll put it in the description of this video, and I'll make it available for you guys. If you do sign up using my referral link, will help out the channel. The channel will get a small kickback for that. I would greatly appreciate it, but if you don't want to, that's totally up to you, but it will be greatly appreciated. But yeah, you could basically get off this stream. As soon as that video goes up, you can watch it, open your account, and you could start trading. I mean, I'm not saying just jump into a trade right away, but you can start looking at the charts. If you see a setup, you can theoretically jump right into a trade tonight. You can start making money tonight. Let's see. What are Bitcoin cycles? I'm a newbie. Okay. I will go over the Bitcoin cycles real quick in a second. We got spider. I'm not forgetting, guys. We're going over the spider lines. We're going to go over the cycles real quick. It happens to me that trading in crypto is stressful because it never stops. It's not like the stock market where it closes. Yeah, crypto never sleeps, guys. Crypto never sleeps, but neither does New York, and neither do New Yorkers. So I don't really sleep either. So that's why I like it. I could be trading at 2 in the morning if I want. I'm up. I'm trading. But yeah, the stock market, you get that break when the markets close. Somebody just logged into TradingView and kicked me off. I'm going to kick them right back out. Let's see. Tell Ben I'll bet him 1 Bitcoin that we're going into a bear market. Hey, Ivan, man, we could be going into a bear market. It's, in my opinion, it's too soon to say, but definitely possible, man. Definitely possible. Let's see. My money's on Coinbase. I hold my coins there. I don't know how to get money or coins to place like a Bybit. Oh, okay. Okay, so you're saying you don't know how to get your money from Coinbase to your leverage exchange, whether that's Bybit or Femex. You just got to send it. I can make a video about that. It'd be hard to kind of go over right now, but I can make a quick video. Essentially, you just got to go to your assets. If you want to send Bitcoin, click on your Bitcoin, hit withdraw, and then go to where you want to send it and click deposit. And you just got to copy the addresses. I can make a video. You could probably find a video, honestly, explaining how to do that, but I could try to make one for you. It's a little intimidating, but it's not hard. Let's see here. Love your streams. Thank you. You should run a trading contest after a little bit and see who does best and run a prize from it. Crypto Anon. I love that. I love that idea. I've been talking about that for the channel. We're definitely going to be doing. We're going to try to do a bunch of different kinds of challenges. But yeah, trading competitions are definitely going to be in the future of this channel. I'm excited about that. Let's see. John Jack, thank you for being here. Smash the likes if you haven't. Guys, if we hit the like goal of 250 likes, I'm going to be doing something crazy. You can put it in the chat at the end of the stream. You guys can put it in the chat what you guys want me to do, and I will pick one, probably the least painful one. I'm just kidding. I usually pick the most painful, so it's so you guys can get a laugh out of it. But let's see here. Tell DZ to stop kicking you out of markets. It probably is DZ. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, Little Bird. We will. I'll make a video. I'll try to remember that. Make a video on how to transfer your funds to Bybit. Femex or Bybit? So I used to use Bybit. Now I use Femex. I like Femex. They're to be 100% honest, they're very, very similar. They're set up very, very similar. Like one of the big differences is the coins that they have, but now they both have a decent amount of altcoins. You don't only have to leverage trade Bitcoin. They have ETH. Femex has ETH, DOT, Solana, Cosmos, Uniswap. I mean, there's a bunch of coins. You'll see that in the video tonight. I do go over that. Only stopping in for a minute to give you a like, and I'll rewatch later. Saw them wall sits, though. Love the energy and channel, man. Mitch, thank you for that. I appreciate it. I love that you came in here just to contribute to the likes, and now you're dipping, but you will come back to watch the pain. Because I bet you there will be, as long as we hit those like goals. There hasn't been one stream that I haven't walked away from in some way, affected. Let's see. Question for you. Why do you use the Heikinashi candles? Okay, let's go over that real quick because I could explain that very, very quickly. Okay, so this was a question on yesterday's stream too. I use Heikinashi candles, so let me change to regular candles so you guys can see the difference. Okay, zoom in. Okay, so these are regular candles. These are just typical regular candles, but now you can use whatever kind, you can use Heikinashis, you can use regular candles. Like there's no real like super advantage. The reason I personally like to use Heikinashis is if you just look at this, right? Like it's just green, red, green. It's just kind of all over the place. They're all uneven. It's kind of, in some cases, can be hard to identify the trend. But now you can see when we change it to Heikinashis, boom, it just kind of smooths them out. The trends are much easier to identify. It's a little less confusing. I do switch to regular candles once in a while because Heikinashis average the price. So I will switch to regular candles to see the exact price sometimes. But I typically, 99% of the time I'm on Heikinashis. But really the big reason is just because it's easier to look at, easier to identify trends. It's smoother. Like, just look at the difference. It's like regular candles, like, ugh. I don't know, especially after you use them for a while, you go back to regular candles, just like, ugh. And then you go to Heikinashis, super clean. But, you can use whatever you want. Like I said, I do switch to regular candles once in a while. Yes, Crypto Anon, if you want to use Femex or Bybit, depending on where you live, you may have to use a VPN. That is important. Yes, Little Bird. The video coming out, the tutorial coming out today or tonight is for Femex. That is what I use. So we will all be on the same page. B5 Man, what's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. Hit the likes. Oh no, guys, we're already at 100 likes. Oh God, where are we? How long have we been live for? We're already at 100 likes. 36 minutes, we're at 100 likes. I think we can make it to 250. You know, it's a weird conflict I have. I appreciate the likes. I want the likes, but I just know there's going to be pain at the end of the road here. But let's get it to 250, guys. Let's get it to 250. Let's see. Smash that like button, boys. Jonathan, thank you for ladder for the people in the back. What do you make of this pump? What's the live? The like goal for today's stream is going to be 250. We're making it 250. Let's see. I know. Crypto Jimmy. Hey, 100 likes already. Let's go. 102. We're going to get there. It's going to be easy today. It looks like I'm going to have to suffer. What up, Frankie? What's your take on CT Pizza? Not 100% sure what you mean there, Robert. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe clarify. I'll try to give you an answer. But guys, all right. Someone wanted to see the spider lines. But we're getting sidetracked. We can have fun. I like having fun here, but I do want to provide you guys with as much value as possible. So let's go to the chart for a minute. Let me give these spider lines real quick. So the spider lines are these diagonal dotted lines, this dotted blue line and the dotted yellow lines. There's no difference between the yellow and the blue ones. I just changed the color because I was specifically looking at that level for something at the time. But yeah, let's go on to a larger time frame. Daily. Okay. So yeah, these are the spider lines, these diagonal blue lines and these two yellow ones. Basically, all they are support and resistance. I said this yesterday. CryptoFace, I believe CryptoFace created these, and they are magical. CryptoFace is the GOAT. They are. Let's go. So basically, it's just support and resistance. Price, it will bounce off of these in either direction, but they're very, very strong. Like, as you can see, I mean, this is the daily chart. You got a little bounce right here off that spider line, right there, right there. You got another rejection right there, bounce right there, boom. I mean, these lines are very, 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 very strong support and resistance, and they really, really, really help you out when you're trading. You know, because when you come down to a spider line, you can be sure that there will at least be some sort of a reaction off of that level, and they are relevant on all different time frames. Let me get my other tool here. Yeah, like you can see, like this is the 15-minute. I mean, guys. Boom, boom. CryptoFace, how do you do it, my man? That's nuts. But yeah, I mean, yeah, boom, boom. The circles are here because we were, we had checked these before. But yeah, that's what the spider lines are. And then real quick, I know we're gonna make a video on this. I don't want to go too in depth, but you basically want to draw them from basically the depths of the bear market. My first candle that I have one drawn on is, I believe, July 23rd, 2018. And then you can draw them all down here. Yeah, you basically just go, and then you want to lay the lines on top of this high candle right here. You want them to just touch on the tip of that candle, not the wick, but the body of the candle. If you don't know, again, I don't want to beat a dead horse. We talked about this yesterday, but in case you guys are just starting out, this is, we're super, the brush tool is not working, but this right here is the body of the candle, and then this is the wick. Basically all that means is, we are on the weekly candle, right? So this candle represents 1 week of price action. So the lowest that in that week that the price went was about 9,000. We are obviously way back in time, guys. But it was about 9,000, and then the highest it went, 14 or 13,000 about, and then the candle closed at about, this level right there. But yeah, you want to lay them on top of the body of the candle, not the wick. That's important. But yeah, depths of the bear market. This is the dump at December 2018 is basically where these are drawn from, right? Well, these are October, but down here is December. This is kind of the general area that you want to draw them. I think you can draw them in other places. I've seen other people say that you can do it. I've never done it before. I just use these. But yeah, those are spider lines. I hope, I don't remember who asked that question, but I hope that helps you out. I will be putting a video out and we'll draw them from scratch, and I'll show you guys step by step how to do it. Okay, let's see. Thank you for the support. Okay, yes, Mitchell, I think that's how you say your name. Yeah, no problem, man. Anytime. If you have any other questions, just put them in chat. Hey, Jimmy Two Shoes asking chat questions. There you go. You guys talk amongst yourselves. Yeah, Ivan, I've seen other people do that with the spider lines on different coins. I've never done it. I don't know if it's legit. I'm not sure. I use them on Bitcoin. Blanchard's Bees. I'm poor, so still not trading, still learning. No problem, man. No problem at all. You're in the right place. And hey, you could start trading with a very small amount of money, man. You don't always have to go all in. You don't need to, don't be afraid to, if you just want to throw some money in there to learn. I kind of thought about that when I first started trading. I took a small amount of money that I was okay completely losing, and then even if I lost all the money, I would think like, sometimes the best way to learn is through mistakes, right? And I was saying yesterday that my goal is to help you guys learn from my mistakes so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I made when I was first starting out. But, if when I first started, I would put a very, very small amount of money that I was, comfortable losing. And then if I lost it all, I'm like, okay, I put $50 in or $100 in that I was okay losing. And if I lost it, I'm like, you know what? I paid $100 to learn these 5 lessons. And sometimes, some of those lessons have been, one of the, some of the most important lessons that I've learned while trading. So, yeah, as long as you're not putting money in that you're not willing to lose, you're going to be fine. Why are they called spider lines? I don't know. I feel like it's very fitting. Crypto, like I said, CryptoFace created them. I believe. I don't know. It is fitting. But I'm not sure. I can't answer that question. Hey, Nicole Parisi, my sister, is in chat. Thank you for tuning in, Nicole. You're going to learn a ton on this channel. Welcome to your first live stream. Smash the likes. I don't know if you just came in here. I'm sure you would love to see me suffer. If we hit our like goal of 250 likes, I'll be doing a random channel challenge that someone puts in the chat. So pay attention. I know I got you into crypto. Now you're going to learn. You're going to be a degen. You're going to wind up trading, and you're going to quit your job and be a trader. No, I'm just kidding. That's my sister, guys. Thank you for being here, Nicole. Anyway, let's see. Do you guys exclusively trade crypto, or do you trade traditional markets as well? How did you get into trading? Liked and subscribed. B5 man, I don't know if I'm saying your name right. I mean, I only trade crypto right now. I'll be honest. I've invested in stocks. I don't really day trade stocks. Crypto's where it's at. I like it. Crypto never sleeps. Markets are open 24/7. I'm from New York. We know this. I'm crazy. I don't sleep. I want to go. We're going all night. We're going all day. So crypto all the way, man. I'm trading all day, all night. Let's see. Trade a lot of low caps. I do. I'll trade low caps. If I'm leverage trading, I'll leverage trade Cosmos. I'll show you. Let's pull up a chart. If you look at Cosmos, I've mentioned this a couple times. I did pretty well on Cosmos. Where were we? Yeah, was it right here? Yeah, I think it was. Let's go to the 3 hour. Yeah, like right here, this area right here. I'm gonna put my lines. Boom, boom. Yeah, we were trading in this channel for a little while. I had a bunch of really good trades here. It was just longing it all the way up, shorting it down, longing it up, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. We were bing bonging, bada bing bonging, all over the place with Cosmos, just nailing those longs, nailing those shorts, guys. So I actually want to talk about this. When you have a really, really, really massive move, believe it or not, like if you don't get into these huge trades, right? Like if you go back to Bitcoin, I don't know if you guys watch the morning streams, but if you do, you'll know that at this level, where's that last dump? Yeah, right here, you'll know. Let me just put a line here. I did call this on the BitBoy Crypto morning stream. I was looking at this level. I happened to call it like to the last touch of that support. Called that level right there for this long up. I think it was like like a 5% move or something. Yeah, like 5%. and then we also called this for a short, which was massive. Yeah, what was this? Yeah, this brought us down like 23%. Guys, if you put 10x leverage on that, that's a big gain. But what I want to talk about here is, these huge moves, like this is what obviously you're hoping for, right? If you can get in on these giant moves. But if I don't really remember what I was doing, but I missed my entry on this trade, right? It's important not to FOMO into these trades because it's a lot harder to trade these big moves than you think, right? Because like, if you missed half of it, then you're hopping in here and then price is kind of like staggers a little bit and you're like, oh God, do I get out? Maybe it's reversing. So it's important to what you really want to do instead of like, if you miss that trade, don't FOMO in. If you get the top, great, that's what you want to do. If you were able to enter there, hopefully you guys on the live stream saw me call that and got never financial advice, but hopefully I brought that to you guys' attention. If you guys took that, wound up finding that as well, then congratulations to you. But I missed it. I let it ride. I didn't want to get wrecked. But a good idea is if you do miss a big move like that, what you want to do is you want to wait until price consolidates, right? So like this area right here, like right there, let's put a, where's my horizontal line? I gotta set up some shortcuts here. Okay. So on the 3 hour, you could see prices kind of consolidating right there. But if you come down, grab that line. Okay. Yeah. So if you come down here onto the lower time frames, you can see that you kind of, let's go even lower, 15-minute, right? You can see when, that price consolidates, you come onto the lower time frames. Let me get rid of this line. Let me get rid of this too. And I'm getting rid of this. Let's clean it up, guys. Let's clean it up. We got too many lines. We got too many lines here. But yeah, so you see, you come here and you're kind of in this channel right here. This is what you want to trade, guys. The chop is what you want the chop where you have an established area of resistance where price is continuously bouncing down, right? You respected it there, you respected it there, you respected it there. And then these are money. You long and short these. This is what you want to trade, right? So if you missed this giant move, this giant dump, and then, you see that consolidation. And again, if you come to the higher time frames, it might not look like much, these consolidation points, because... so if you look on the longer time frames, let me get rid of this. You can see it's moving flat here, but obviously you can't really trade this on a long time frame. So what I do is I'll just take a horizontal line or I'll mark it up in some way, and then I'll come down to the lower time frame, zoom out, and then find that line and zoom in, and then, hey, what do you know? You got a bunch of choppy price action. That's a blast to trade. So that's a little, I'm giving you guys the sauce here. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving you the New York sauce. I'm giving you the sauce. Hey, guys, if you're Italian or a New Yorker, let me know, do you guys call it sauce or gravy? Because I'll tell you what, I'm about as New York Italian as they come. And, my family no one ever calls it gravy. They say that in the movies. I don't think it's a real thing. We call it sauce. Okay. Sauce. And we put things in the drawer and we drink coffee. It's not coffee or drawer. It's draw. Coffee, sauce, not gravy, sauce. Anyway, off on a little tangent here, but that's a little good tip. That's a good little tip, guys. That's like an actionable thing that you guys can do when you're looking for trades. Let's see. Steven, Bing Bong, Frankie Long. I was telling people yesterday I like to long because I'm from Long Island. I don't know if it's because I like making money or because I like because I'm from Long Island, but you better believe it. We're Bing Bonging in Long Island. We're Bing Bonging in Long Island for sure. Staten Island even more. TD Bing Bong. I love that. Let's see. All right, guys. If you guys are learning anything or you're liking what we're going over here, if you guys are learning anything, put hashtag value. Let's say hashtag. Actually, no. Hashtag Bing Bong if you're learning something in the chat. Let's see here. I own a bakery. I would love to check out your product. Let's see. Sauce. Crypto Anon sauce. Hell yeah. TDA. Hey, yo. Let's see. Posers call it gravy. Yeah. I agree with that. It's like, yeah, they say in a movie and everybody thinks like, you have other people telling you, hey, if you're really Italian, they call it gravy. It's like, no, it's what they say in the movies. It's sauce. Sunday sauce. Sunday macaroni. That's not pasta. It's macaroni. Uh, hashtag Bing Bong. Loving to see it, guys. Bing Bong, Bing Bong. If you're learning something and I am providing value for you, hashtag Bing Bong in the chat. If you're Bing Bonging, and hey, guys, we're Bing Bonging. Bitcoin is bing bonging on the charts. Actually, let's check on Bitcoin, right? Because we're at a very critical level. At any moment we can break up or break down. So let's get over here on the degen chart, the low time frames. Let's keep an eye on it. Yeah, we were saying this yesterday, guys. Bitcoin is bing bonging. This is textbook bing bonging right here. But I will say this, guys, when you're approaching, approaching resistance, you can see here that we're setting higher lows. And that is a more bullish, right? That when you see higher lows when you're approaching a resistance, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So we're gonna keep an eye on this. I wish we can get the second chart up here so we could just watch it like real degens. Let's see, Bing Bong. A lot of hashtag Bing Bong, guys. I like to see that. I like to know if I'm providing value or if I'm just sitting here talking to a wall and you guys are not understanding anything or you're not learning anything. I need to know that because then I have to change what I'm doing. But I'm happy to see you guys are learning. I'm happy to provide value. Angelo, what's going on, man? You say honk honk. We say Bing Bong, but your name's Angelo, so I could get with that. Let's see. Dude, bro. Mozzarella. Okay, so I'm going to go over this. It's mozzarella, right? There's a D. It's mozzarella. It's not mozzarella. It's not mozzarella. It's mozzarella. And if you're really Italian, I used to work at an old school pizzeria, right? New York pizzeria / Italian restaurant. We just call it mutz, right? Hey, go get me some mutz. I need some mutz for the pizza. It's mutz, guys. If you're really New York, you're mutz. It's mutz. Let's see. Hashtag Bing. Guys, I love this hashtag Bing Bong. I'm happy I'm providing value for you guys. Let's see. Would you come on my podcast? Frederick, yeah, man. Reach out to me on Twitter is probably the best way. And then, yeah, I super busy. But if we could find a time, yeah, man. Maybe on a weekend or something, I'd love to hop on. Okay, so spider lines. We went over the spider lines. I gave you guys that little bit of Italian sauce there, finding consolidations on the longer time frames, and going down and marking it and going to a lower time frame to find those ranges that you can trade all day. We're not going to call them ranges. We're going to call them the Bing Bong areas, the Bing Bong factories. You know what? We'll call it the bagel factory because those channels are where you make the bread. That's where you can trade. That's where you can make the bread. It's the bagel factory. I missed the start of the stream. What's your opinion on a breakout? So we did go over that real quick. I'll just cover it again, just super quick for you, because I'm a man of the people. I wanna answer your questions. So yeah, we're here at this very, very critical level. We were talking about how in the past we've been harshly rejected off this level. So this is definitely a serious level we want to keep an eye out for. I am watching it like a hawk. But yeah, I think, let's see. Let's look at a market cipher. All right, so we got a red dot on the 4-hour with the VWAP coming down. So maybe we're going to get a little reaction off of here. Let's see. Green dot on the 3-hour. VWAP also coming down, though, when that crosses over the zero line, which if you guys don't know, let's see here. The zero line is this line right here. If you can see that blue line, once the VWAP crosses down over there, that is usually when the red dot will print. So I'm not really too hyped over this green dot here. We might still see us come down a little bit from this trend line. But yeah, yeah, it's a pinch. We'll have to watch it. Maybe it'll happen on stream. Hey, if it happens on stream, that would be epic. That would be epic. If we break out on stream, I'll throw this money all over the place. It'll be a good time. We're gonna party. We'll play the music. It'll be fun. Next time you're in Jimmy. Next time you're in the hood, we go to Arthur Ave and some espresso. Let's go to Bronx, baby. The Bronx. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Blanchard's Bees just subbed. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bees in the chat. for if you're subscribed. I don't know what I'm saying now. Let's go. We got 123 likes. We need 250 if you guys want me to do something crazy. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a handstand. I don't know. I can't do a handstand. I will wind up. You guys can't see this, but there is a whole lot of studio equipment in front of me. And if I do a handstand, there's a chance that I'll break it, and it's probably worth more than my life. So maybe no handstand, but something like that or something. You know, something fun, something that won't hurt me. Dude, bro, scalped a little short Bing Bong yesterday. 7% on 7x leverage from 236 to 282 fib degen on a 15-minute. Took forever, but at least it hit. Dude, bro. That's his name, guys. Awesome. Congratulations on making the cheddar. Congratulations. Love hearing that. Trading those fib levels. We will be going over some Fibonacci stuff because, you know, I am Frankie Candles, but once in a while they do call me Frankie Fibonacci. Bing bong, Frankie Long. Yeah, baby. ADA pumping. 3-minute chart. Beatbox. Ooh, is that the challenge? You guys are going to make me beatbox? Maybe. That could be in the cards. Let's see. Did you prank DZ? I did not punk DZ yet. Because we did the 50 push-ups, so that kind of took the spot of Punk and DZ, but maybe that's what it is. You got to put a prank in the chat, and I'll prank DZ. That's in the running too. So on beatbox, maybe we'll prank DZ. But yeah, what's your TradingView Pro? I do have TradingView Pro. You don't need it, right? Like you can use the features that you need on the free version of TradingView. To be honest, I don't even really remember how much it costs. But I mean, you get more time frames on TradingView Pro. You get you can add more indicators. There's a bunch of stuff. For me, the big thing is the time frames. I like to look at all the time frames. That's kind of important for me. But that's basically the biggest thing that I like about TradingView Pro. But you do not need TradingView Pro. I repeat, do not need TradingView Pro to start trading. You can start trading with the free version. I did for a long time. Let's see. Hashtag Bing Bong. Nino's learning something. He's getting some value out of here. Hashtag Bing Bong. I appreciate that. I appreciate that I can provide you value and teach you something. Caught along for 25%. At 8x leverage, Crypto Anon. Let's go, my man. They're crushing it. Are your tutorials going to be added to the BitLab Academy? Guys, if you don't know about the BitLab Academy, that is our like A to Z crypto course. It's a subscription. They're always updating the content. It teaches you everything from being a complete beginner to like super advanced stuff. I think I don't want to butcher the price because I don't know the exact price, but it is very affordable. Definitely worth it. You'll get a return on your investment. But my YouTube tutorials will not be going in the BitLab Academy because I'm going to be making special videos for the BitLab Academy because it is paid. So we're not just going to take a bunch of our free YouTube content and put it in the Academy. I'm going to do completely separate videos for that. But yeah, I'm going to have a course on the BitLab Academy. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. I'm not in the U.S. I like Binance. Have you ever traded with that? I had traded with Binance, and then I had a bunch of trouble trying to KYC. I actually stopped using them. I loved Binance. That was my that was like the exchange that I preferred to use. They had so many altcoins in 2016, 2017, and then I don't even really know what happened. I got my KYC got messed up, and I just never fixed it. I just opened up a different exchange. Let's see. Crypto Anon says $29 a month. That sounds about right. I was going to say 30. But yeah, that's very affordable for what it teaches you. I know a lot of the content in there is very, very valuable. Who said ADA is pumping? Let's take a look at ADA. Boom. Dollar. Woo, baby. Look at that. Look at that. What are we on? The 2-hour chart? Let's see. Okay. All right. I see you, Ada. I see you. Look at this. Yeah, we'll take a look at Solana, too. Solana's been making some moves. 6% in the past 2 days. Look at that. Coming back to life, guys. We were looking at ADA yesterday. I was telling you guys that's what these circles are from. We were just holding on to this $1.08 area, like this, just around this area, holding on for dear life. It's actually funny if you come down to the 1 minute, you can see. Yeah, just hovering, just clinging onto that, clinging onto this. We just really, really did not want to break. But now we broke above. So let's go back to the hour. Boom. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, a little pumperoonie. Not bad. A little pumperoonie. I appreciate everyone's info and sharing your knowledge with us newbies. Yeah, guys, look at this. We're creating a little community in the chat. Like, not only am I providing value, but, you know, people who were in the earlier streams are helping the people in the new streams get up to speed. People are teaching each other stuff in the chat. That's what I call community. That's what I like. Solana up 11%. Yeah, let's take a look at that. That's on the list for the stream today. Let's take a look at Solana. I think we're all the way down here. Bada boom. Bada bing boom. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Look at this. We're binging. We're bonging. We're binging. We're bonging. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Boom. Breakout. Yeah, let's look at that little pump for Solana. Someone asked me to check on this yesterday. I was saying we were holding this level. I don't know. Maybe someone could go back and clip it, but I think I was just saying I don't know how much lower it could go. I mean, unless we went into a harsh bear market, I don't know how much lower a Solana would have gone. So happy to see that it held this level and broke out. Let's measure this out. Let's go to the 4 hour. Boom. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. 25% in the last. Oh God, man. We need to get bigger screens around here. Yeah, and whew, shit, let's go to the daily so I can measure that a little easier. Yeah, look at that. Zoom it in. Guys, I gotta clean these charts up for you guys. There's just stuff everywhere. All these streams I'm drawing all over the place. I never erase them, and then it just get messy. I'll make sure I'll clean that up for you guys next time so I don't waste time. Yeah, look at this. Where do we wick down here? Boom. Yeah. Oof, 25% in the past 2 days. Not too shabby for Solana. I actually had someone ask me about Solana the other day. They saw some bad news. They were like, should I be worried? And I was like, listen, don't listen to the haters, FUD's been around since the Stone Age. Don't scare us. I mean, unless it was something serious about Solana, being a scam. I think the whole thing was that it's owned, a large majority of it's VC owned, which a lot of people don't like, but I'm a trader. Okay, so if the price moves up or down, I'm happy. I have my long-term bags that I believe in the projects, and I know they have good teams, and that's a whole nother thing. But for the most part, I got my good projects in my long-term holds. Other than that, I'm trading. If it's going up or down, I'm making money. So I don't care. I don't care what the team is. I don't care if the team is a bunch of squirrels. I mean, if the price goes up or down, and I can trade it and make money, I'm in. It's funny. Actually, I saw Crypto Face trades rice and commodities and stuff, and I think cattle futures or something. I don't really know anything about that, but I would love to that might be a fun stream, trading rice. Very, very interesting. I'd like to look into that. But yeah, Solana with that 25% pump. Look at that. Beautiful pump. Let's see. 134 likes, guys. We need 250. We need 250 if we want to put me in, if we want something fun to go on here. 100 concurrent viewers. Guys, if you're just hopping in, smash the like button. And, maybe I don't know. We're going to have to think about it. Maybe I'll prank DZ. I forgot what the other thing is in the chat, but put your challenges in the chat and smash the like button. Yesterday we were kind of lagging behind a little bit, but we caught up right at the end. I don't know what happened, but we hit it. So let's make sure we get 250 today. Let's see. Pearls, this kid making bank. Love him and his squirrels. That's right. I would say me and my bagels. My New York bagels, baby. Maybe get a cup and handy and get another pop-up on Sol. Hey, hey, let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. Who said that? Crypto Anon. Yeah, let's take a look at that, right? So what he's talking about is a cup and handle for those of you who don't know. Actually, let's just go cup and handle. So for those of you who don't know, let's go images. Let me find a good example here. Boom. All right, there you go. So for those of you who don't know, cup and handle is when you see price. Basically, it is what it says it is. It's a cup and a handle. You got the cup here, the handle here, and then you break out, right? So let's see. Look at this. You got a little cup, maybe a little handle. Maybe. We'll have to watch it. But yeah, nice crypto anon. Nice call. Nice V shape. Yeah, that's right. Look at that. Nice strong V. Let's see. Yeah, nice strong V for victory. Oh yeah, we're not doing that. This brush is very hard to draw with. I was gonna write victory. Let's see. I know season 2 is fire. I don't even. Wow, you guys talk about TV shows. I missed that. Let's see. Big mad. I sold my Solana recently, but I bought ADA at $1.01, so not too mad. Hey, TD, you buy a Cardano at $1.01. That's good. I know a lot of people bought the top of ADA, so you're in a better situation than a lot of people. I unfortunately was telling people about Cardano at about like 10, 12 cents, something like that. Telling people to buy it, and that was good in the beginning of the bull run, and I just never took my own advice. I never bought it. I could have bought a ton of ADA at 12 cents, and I had people texting me. I had one person text me like, hey man, just want to thank you. You're the only reason I bought ADA, and I got in so early. Like I made so much money, and I was like, cool. I didn't even take my own advice. I didn't buy it. But that's okay. I got in on other good stuff at super low price points, made some good money, but missed out on ADA. I do own some ADA. I just didn't get in when I originally called it. Let's see. Let's see. What number would you say is too low a market cap to put any money into? So I would say this. As far as market cap, if you the lower cap coins, right, are I don't know how low cap you're talking about. I've traded some super low cap coins to the point where like doesn't even take much money to move the chart. Those coins are typically like any low cap coins that I trade, like the super low caps, meme coins, whatever it is. I trade with money that I'm willing to lose. They're super risky. I was actually just talking to somebody. A lot of them go to zero. Like a lot of these coins are just like community coins that are usually pump and dumps. So I always trade with money. It's basically gambling. So I put very little money in, but I've made some good money on them too. You put a little bit of money in, and at 57x's, you make some pretty good money off not a lot of investment capital. So it's very risky. I was looking at my portfolio before. I was like, let me check out on these, these low cap coins, like see if they ever came back to life, and they were just all at like basically zero. My dollars turned into 0 cents, fractions of a cent. Let's see here. Can we take a look at XRP? TD, yes, we could take a look at XRP if you want to. Let's see here. Okay, sorry. XRP, boom, you could see XRP. I am in the XRP army, people. I have it flagged here green. I keep it up close. I keep it close to my heart. I got a big bag of XRP. I need them to win this lawsuit. I want XRP to go to $589. I'm just kidding. I don't think it's going to $589. The market cap would have to be like some ridiculous number, guys. That's not going to happen. I mean, never say never, but don't expect that to happen. But I actually don't even know where that joke started, where people thought that XRP was going to $589. But that would be nice. But all right, let's take a look here. Okay, so we were talking about XRP yesterday, talking about how this key level of support at 58 cents, we are looking to hold this level, right? Because this is a key area of support. And if we did break, you can see my line from yesterday. If we do break 58 cents, I would expect a really quick drop down to 50 cents. But I mean, hey, I am part of the XRP army. We are in the house of the XRP army. As you know, Ben, BitBoy Crypto, is the supreme leader. But yeah, it does look like we're bouncing a little bit off of this level, so that is a good sign. But yeah, if we did break that, I would expect 50 cents pretty quickly. There's not much below us at that price point. But yeah, I mean, if we do see a market reversal here, and if we see a market reversal here, never financial advice, this would be a pretty good entry point. You know, because if XRP winds up winning this lawsuit and we go back into our full blown bull market, things could get pretty crazy for XRP. Okay, where'd my chat go? I lost chat. Where'd you guys go? XRP Army Rep, Crypto Anon. Let's go. Absolutely. XRP Riddlers. Yeah, 589. If anybody knows where that came from, please enlighten me. I've heard a lot about it, but I don't know the exact story. Okay, Jim, so how are people buying XRP? Because you couldn't because of the lawsuit. So a lot of exchanges did delist XRP. So you couldn't buy it. Some of them, halted trading, and then some people just completely delisted it. But there's some, I think KuCoin, you can still buy XRP. I think you might be able to buy it on Bybit. I'm not 100% sure, but there's a couple exchanges. There's another one out there. I forget the name of it. There's a couple exchanges out there that you can get it on. I know you can get it on KuCoin. All right, sold my XRP. Yeah, a lot of people sold their XRP when Coinbase stopped supporting it. But yes, okay. So what are we going to look at next here? I gave you guys the secret sauce. I gave you guys a little bit of Solana. We looked at Bitcoin. Let's check on Bitcoin, right? 38,827. Still knocking on the door here. Oh, God. If I had $1 for every time I tried to drag the screen but drew a line, I wouldn't even have to trade. I would just already be a bazillionaire. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Go down to the DGen charts. Here we go. Yeah, guys. I don't know. We're creeping up there. It's coming. It's coming. It's going to be a breakout or a breakdown, but it's coming either way. It's coming, guys. We are, this is, if this is not binging and bonging, look at that. Bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong. That's money. That's money, guys. That's what you want to trade. All right. Let's see here. Gala. Crypto Bunny. Let's take a look at Gala. How are we doing on likes? Let's check. 143 likes. Guys, let's get to 200. How long have we got? Oh, and we're only at an hour 14. We're only at, in these New York live streams, we don't stop. We go late night in these streams. I think we can get to 250 by the end of this stream. And, you guys can be in for quite a treat, depending on what kind of creative challenges you guys can come up with. We always have a good laugh. So let's get to 250. Let's go. Oh, God, it's going up. Okay. All right. Bitmart. I think, Bitmart. Oh, Uphold. That was the one I was thinking of. Uphold has XRP. I guess people are saying Femex, Bitmart. Let's see. Blockchain iStrain. Salute. Thanks for the content. I'm a 30-year-old auto mechanic, father of 2, trying to translate to a career in Web3. Live in Newman, Georgia, and would love to work with you guys if you ever need help. Well, I will tell you this, Blockchain iStrain. Congratulations on the trying to get into Web3. That's a smart move. Web3. In my opinion, this is Solidity. all the programming, Web3, like these are the jobs that are going to be like these are where the millionaires are going to be made. These are the jobs of the future. You know, this is like getting into the internet in the 90s. But yeah, Newman, Georgia, hey, local Southern boy. Love to see it. And Gala, yes, Flip Burgers. I will not forget. We will do Gala. Let me just get through this real quick. China. I hope I don't get banned for saying China. Let's go. Hit those likes. Let's hit, guys, hit the 151. 49 likes. We're at 200. And then once we're at 200 and we only need 15 more, I think that's when people are like, all right, fine, I'll log into another device. And then we get the extra 15 and I get to do something crazy. Thank God we don't have any bang in this office right now. Oh, actually, I just said that. I'm staring at an empty can of Bang. This is not mine, but it's just on the desk. So maybe there is Bang in this office, but I will not be chugging a Bang because last time you guys made me do that, I was up until like 4 a.m. and then I had to wake up at 7 and come to work. But I do it for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I do it for the people. I'm a man of the people. Let's see. The hat goes backwards if you get the likes. Hey, Jimmy Two Shoes. I'll put the hat backward. I'll put the hat backwards to get. Should we put the hat backwards now or should we put the hat back? We'll put the hat backwards when we get the 215. But I'll tell you this. I'll put the hat backwards and then we could do another challenge. We could do another challenge on top of that. We could do like a, cartwheel while beatboxing with the backwards hat. I don't know. I'm just trying to get your creative juices flowing here. But we got to get the likes up there first. We're at 154. We need more likes, guys. We need more likes. What do we got to do? We got to pump it up. What do we got? I got to throw money at you guys? Throw some money? Boom. There you go. You get some money. You got some money. I paid you. Hit the likes. I'm paying for the likes now. Look at me. I'm a sellout. What's up on the DZ prank? Jesse, so we didn't do the DZ prank because I wound up doing 50 push-ups instead. But maybe that'll be today's challenge. We'll just prank DZ tomorrow. We'll film it. I'll put it on Twitter or something so you guys can check it out. Or we'll put it on the Hit Network vlogs. If you guys aren't following Hit Network, guys, go over and follow Hit Network. All the behind the scenes there. You guys can see me. Sometimes, DZ gives some good NFT, tips. He calls out some NFTs early on the Hit Network channel. You'll see me on the Hit Network channel. Ben, TJ, everybody, Justin, Jay Chains, Brian from New Money Gang. We're all in those videos. It's all behind the scenes. It's kind of cool. You can see what a huge operation this whole thing is. You get to see our new office, new studio space. But yeah, definitely go follow them. They make some really good stuff. And we got Aaron and Michael. Those they basically run that channel. They're awesome and they're funny and they make great videos. So definitely go check them out. Let's see. Upside down wall push-ups while beatboxing and a backwards hat. Steven, that might be a little ambitious. I don't know how I feel about going up on the wall because that could involve breaking my neck. I'm not a handstand guy. But hey, I don't know. Nothing's impossible, right? Nothing's impossible. We'll keep it in mind. Okay. All right, let's look at Gala. We're getting sidetracked. Let's get a Gala. I've been giving you guys the sauce, but we're going to give you a little more sauce. Never enough sauce. It's not Sunday, but I'm giving you the sauce. Anyway, let's see. What are we looking at? Gala. Let's look at Gala. What are we looking at? Let's do Binance. Let's do KuCoin. Boom. Just give me 1 second here, guys. Boom. Okay. Boom. I'm trying. I don't know. Boom. Here, Gala USD Coinbase, right? We could trust Coinbase. This is just the. Okay. Boom. All right. Let's see. 20 cents. Can we draw the lines on Bybit? Yes, you can. Yes. So basically, the way Bybit and Femex work in the trading in the trading like dashboard where you actually be making the trades, there's actually just a mini trading view chart. So everything you can do, 90% of the stuff you could do on TradingView, you could use the brush, you could use Fibonacci's, you could draw lines, do whatever you need to do on. It's an actual TradingView chart on both of those sites, I believe. So yeah, you could do everything you could do on TradingView. All right, let's take a look at Gala. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, yeah, where are we sitting? Oh boy. All right. This is the 4 hour. We got money flow coming up on the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, what is this? I know somebody who got in super early on Gala. Yeah, I mean, we're banging and bonging here, guys. I mean, I don't think we can leverage trade Gala, but we're banging, we're bonging. It's we got money flow on the 4 hour coming up. Green dot on the momentum wave with the VWAP coming up on the 3 hour. I mean, maybe we come up a little bit. You know, it's a little sloppy TA here. Got a little I would expect to maybe see possibly bounce off there, come up, maybe bounce back. But other than that, there's not much. You know, there's not much holding this down this far, right? If we can break, you know, we're getting a little bounce right here. Maybe we get another bounce right here. But I don't know how old that'll. I mean, yeah, there's not much here. This is just a free fall essentially. But we're gonna get caught up over here. Let's look at a little bit of a longer time frame. Boom. What is going on? Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I would say. I mean, this is cheap. I would say. Damn. What did Gala? Wow, Gala went up to 85 cents. That's insane. I haven't really been keeping a close eye on Gala personally. I know a couple people who have been trading it since the beginning. Got in super early. I missed the boat on this one. But yeah, I mean, we got the money flow coming up on the money flow coming up on the 6 hour, the 8 hour. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look horrible. You know, obviously, I always say this when we look at altcoins. It's you know, when Bitcoin is dumping like this, you know, I know we have this relief pump, but guys, like if you zoom out a little bit, we are obviously, this is what I mean by Bitcoin dumping. You know, this pump feels like it's, you know, we feel like been going on for a couple days. We're in a bull market, boom. But we are zoom out. We are still dumping. This is a dump. Long term, but you know, when we're dumping like this, it's you know, a lot of these altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin dumps, the altcoins are going to take a harder hit, even harder. So it's kind of hard. I'm very cautious talking about altcoins when we're in this environment. All right, let's see. 167 likes, guys. 79 viewers. Hit the like button if you want to see me do something crazy. You know, we're almost there. Hour 23 into the stream, 81 viewers. Let's get it up there, and let's get some craziness going on at the end of the stream. Have to sing and dance to WAP. WHOP? WAP? Are you talking about the WAP song? Like is it Cardi B? That would be funny. All right, so if you guys want me to take a look at anything, put it in the chat. Someone said check BTC. We're here. We never left. Down to the baby. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Coming up. Yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on this, guys. Well, let's see what markets. Let's turn on Market Cipher A. Boom. Market Cipher A. Okay. Boom. Let's see if okay. Just taking a look here, guys. Just doing some analysis here. Okay. Yeah, if you guys want to take a look at anything, put it in the chat. If you have any questions, let's kind of like move on to the Q&A. You know, I gave you guys some good value. I think you want to see the DZ prank. Jesse wants to see the DZ prank. If you guys want to see me prank DZ, hit the likes. Oh, baby, 171. We're getting close. We're getting close. I'm getting nervous. My palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's no vomit on my sweater, but I do like my mom's spaghetti. Let's see here. Bing bong. Is there a reason why the altcoins follow BTC? I'll just answer that question with what's the saying? Guys, I'm not good at catchphrases or sayings or whatever phrases, I guess you can call it. All ships rise with the tide, I think. It's something like that. I might have butchered that. Something like that. But yeah, like Bitcoin, Bitcoin goes up or Bitcoin goes down, other things get crushed. The altcoins get crushed. If you've been through a bear market, a crypto bear market, you'll know if altcoins get hammered in the bear market, hammered, and a lot of them don't come back. So that's why you got to be careful trading those low caps, because I promise you, Santa Coin or Kitty Baby Junior Inu is not coming back next cycle. I promise you that. But that's not to say, a lot of people ask me, like, do you buy Doge or do you have any SHIB? You're into crypto. You have any SHIB? I don't buy Doge. I don't buy SHIB. Doge is, essentially a blue chip meme coin, the goat of all meme coins. And then, Doge knighted SHIB into that family. But, just because I don't invest in them and just because they don't really have, great use case, that doesn't mean that you can't make money with it. Like people are like, you told me not to buy Doge, it pumped. And I'm like, it doesn't, just because I didn't buy it and I don't think it's a good project doesn't mean you can't make money with it. So, I know a lot of people made a lot of money on Doge, millionaires have been made from Doge. So, remember that. I just don't personally, hold any I just don't. I don't buy meme coins. And if I do, they're super low caps and I'm playing with money that I'm willing to lose. But yeah, if you like Doge and it goes up and you can make money, do it, not financial advice. Let's see. Smash the likes, guys. 174. We're creeping up to 180. Let's get it up to 200. We need 200 or I'm not doing the wall sits. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing wall sits either way. Let's see. Dot. Let's take a look at Dot. Bada boom, bada bing. Dot. Okay. Oh, baby. 5-minute yellow X. So these yellow X's are manipulation X's. Usually they bring us down quite a bit. This one is confirmed. And by confirmed, I mean it's on this candle, right? We are on, right now, this is the 5-minute chart, right? Like nothing, if there was a yellow X on the 4-hour chart, I'd be much more concerned. 5-minute chart, not so much. But so you get these yellow manipulation X's, but what I mean confirmed is, so these actually, this is why you want to wait. You don't just want to see a signal and jump in right away. You want to wait for it to confirm, right? So the yellow X can pop up, but because we're on the 5-minute chart, each candle is 5 minutes of price action. And as you can see, this little timer right here, I don't know if you guys know this, it says 13, 12, 11, 10. That is the countdown to the next candle being printed, right? So in that 5 minutes, that while the candle is printing, if the yellow X is over that candle, in that 5 minutes, the X can go away and come back. It'll paint and then print and unprint. So what you want to do is, you see, we just printed another one because that timer ran out. But you want to wait for another candle to print and for this candle to officially close to confirm that yellow X did actually stay there and confirm. Anybody at the BitBoy office play Axie Infinity? Colton, I'm sure. Probably most likely the new Money Gang guys or DZ and Justin of NFT Update. I'm sure they do. Those are the NFT / play to earn boys. I don't know for a fact, but I bet you they do. And I bet you, everybody here, like even like the graphic designers and the, social media people, like all like the regular, people who aren't directly involved in crypto at this job, they're all crypto degens. They're all trading. They all got the charts up. They're all buying NFTs. So I wouldn't be surprised if there were other people in the office that played as well. Let's see. Rising tide raises all ships. Tyler Durden, thank you for that. I knew I butchered it. I'm real bad at that stuff. But yeah, so why do altcoins follow Bitcoin? In simple terms, rising tide raises all ships. I slapped the. Okay, thank you, Mojo. Thank you for slapping the like button. 176, 88 live viewers, guys. Get your grandma in here. Call your Uncle Jimmy. Call your Uncle Sal. Call your Uncle Vinny. Get them in the live stream. Make them hit the like button because you guys want to see some guy on the internet do something crazy. And, you know, he's showing me how to make money, and then I'm just going to torture him and make him do crazy stuff. I'm kidding. I love doing the crazy stuff for you guys. It's a blast. What about looking for order book? Not really sure about that question. I'm sorry, Michael or Mitchell. I invested my kids' savings into Sheeb, Doge, Inu, Floki, Space Coin. Yeah, that's, I mean, guys, there's a new one every day. You could, I mean, most of them are scams. Just know that. If we enter a bear market, I'm going to throw some money at meme coins because the risk to reward makes sense if it's been wrecked. Yeah, and if by meme coins you mean like, you know, Sheeb or Doge, like, I mean, these are high up on the list, right? Like, I'm not sure exactly what number Doge is in, you know, market cap, but these are big coins, right? Like, you know, Doge is probably going to come back. Sheeb might come back. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about like Floki, Space, Degen, Inu coin. You know, these weird, you know, Baby Yoda coin. These weirdo coins they're not coming back. They're not getting listed on exchanges. But, you know, some of them do. Sheeb did, right? So, let's see. Thoughts on Crow? I like Crow a lot. I actually don't hold any right now, but I am looking to accumulate. Let's check on Crow because it's probably not a bad time if we do go into a bull market. Not financial advice, but let's just, if we were to come back up, let's see where Crow is at. Crow is crypto.com, guys, if you didn't know. Me and Brian from New Money Gang went to an F1 race for a crypto.com thing. It was very cool. Because Crypto.com, they're all over the place, man. They got the UFC deal, they got the F1 deal, and what you have to understand about the F1 deal is the F1 deal is big money, right? Like, you got big people, very, very wealthy people in F1, watching F1. You know, we went and we were like the crypto degens there, and everybody else was like suit and tie, super fancy. You know, it's a great place for Crypto.com to advertise because that's where you find the whales, right? The whales are watching that stuff. They're going to those events. It's very expensive. And then they got the UFC deal. I'm sure they'll have something going on at the Super Bowl. So they're making moves. Crypto.com out here making moves, getting in front of people. Everywhere we travel, we went to Vegas, Miami, everywhere we go, there's Crypto.com ads ever. In Vegas, the Crypto.com ads are everywhere. And okay, so let's see, Crypto.com, 43 cents. Let's go down. This is we're still on the 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh, all right. Boom. Yeah. Not too shabby. What did we dip down to? 32 cents, 43. What were we up at the top? $1. Ooh. Okay. All right. Yeah, maybe, you know, not, you know, if we do go into a bull market, right, these are great prices to get in. If we do dump down into a bear market, you're going to be pretty pissed that you bought these levels. But still, like, that's what I was saying yesterday. Like, you don't want to buy. This is what I'm telling people, right? Because I have a lot of people calling me, a lot of people texting me, family, friends. Oh, is this the time to buy? Right? I said this yesterday. You know, when we're unsure about if we're going to dump into a bear market or if we're going to rip back into a bull market, these are very weird times. Conflicting information everywhere. No one really knows. But what I've been telling people is just dollar cost average. Don't put it, like, these prices look good. Like XRP, like, I've been eyeballing XRP. But you don't just put all your money in and then, you know, if you dump down to the bear market, you're going to lose a ton of money. Put 10% in, right? And then if you dump into the bear market, you only put 10% in. You can wait to hit the bottom and then put the rest of your money in. Don't just ape all in at one price. I said this yesterday. You don't want to just dump your money in, wait for the top, and then just try to sell the top all at one time and win the jackpot. You want to ladder in on the, you want to buy the prices when they're low, dollar cost average, every week, every month, whatever the dollar amount is. You want to be doing that, and then And then you want to ladder out your profits, right? Have price targets. When ETH hits $2,000, I'll take out this percentage. When ETH hits $3,000, I'll take this percentage, and then when it hits $5,000, I'll take this much out. You want to ladder out your profits. No one times the top perfectly, and if you do, you get really lucky. It's very hard to do. If it wasn't, everybody would do it. So just take that for what it's worth. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Hit it. 180 likes. It's 179, but 180. I'm trying to say 180 until it turns to 180. 180. Okay, I don't think it's gonna go to 180. But someone hit the like button. One of you. We got 93 people in here. One person hit the like button and switched that to 180. Come on, 180. One person. 92 people. Okay, not going to 180. Everybody liked. That's it. 180. There we go. Boom, baby. Boom. 180 likes. Guys, 184. Let's go. We're creeping up to 200. 250 was the goal. I lowered the goal yesterday because we didn't flow right from ATB into my stream, so I thought our viewers might have been a little lower, so it might have been harder to hit. 180. So look at that. You just got to shout at the screen a couple of times. We're almost at 190. I lowered the likes yesterday because we were doing 100 for the first stream, 200 likes for the second stream, 300 likes for the third stream. We nailed those. We crushed those. On the third stream, we had 350 likes, but we did have the ATB crew in there, so it helped out a little bit. So yesterday, I made it to 250, and then I lowered it to 200. I don't want to have to handicap it again today. 189. It's going to be 190 any second. But yeah. All right, 190. Let's go. Woo! 190. Guys, we're getting there. 200 likes. Maybe I'll do a small challenge. 250. We're doing something crazy. 191. Let's go. Okay. Let's take ASAP. Connor Wood putting the ASAP in there. We will be putting the Femex tutorial out tonight, I promise. Candles, it's Adam, another $280 gain, and I did all because of you. Another gain. Adam, we need like a siren or something. If someone makes money because of what we say on this channel or what we say on these live streams, like we gotta sound the alarm. I mean, hey, should we play the music for you? Is the music playing? Can you guys hear the music? We're playing the music for Adam, guys. We're playing. Oh, cool. The music's not playing. Okay. We're going to get something. We'll get a siren or something to celebrate because that's awesome. Super happy to hear that. Happy that I could provide some value for you so early in this YouTube journey. So this is just the beginning, guys. I mean, we are just getting started. We're not even set up yet. I mean, we're hitting the ground running, chomping at the bit, as they say. Appreciate that, Adam. Let's see. Smash the like button. 192. Guys, listen. Fine. 210. 250. We got 82 people in here. 210. We get to 210. I'm doing something crazy. How long have we been streaming for? 138. Hour and 38. We're still cooking. Let's see. Everyone liked twice, lol. Yeah, that math does check out. All right, let's see. Anyone else want me to take a look at any other coins? Or if you guys have any questions about Market Cipher, the indicators that we use, let's just we'll be winding down here in just a second as we creep towards 210 likes. I got to get my mental game, sharp for this challenge because could be painful. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, put them in the chat and we will answer them right now. Let's see. Dot just took off on lower time frames. Let's take a look at that. That's fun to watch, right? Where are we? Where's Dot? Guys, I can't find it. Oh my God. Boom. We're going right down to the super degen chart. 1 minute. Boom! Look at that. I'm joking, guys. This is the 1 minute chart. But let's see what is that. But this is why I get excited, right? People always make fun of the 1 minute chart. Like that looks like such a big move, but it's only 1.8%. But with 10x leverage, 1.8% is 18%. that's a decent gain, right? So like, I mean, if you were able to hit that, I mean, look at that green dot played out perfectly. Don't recommend just buying the green dots, guys. A lot of people think with market cipher you could just you see these big green dots down here, right? And you buy at that level and you just win every time. It is not how it works. Sometimes it plays out, right? Like this played out. But that was beautiful. But yeah, the green dots signify a bottom, not the bottom. So just keep that in mind. Let's see. AVAX Mana, trying to remember these guys. We'll take a look at them. Real talk, when I look at the daily chart of BTC, it gives me shivers. A rising wedge with huge wicks. Thoughts. We'll take a look at that in a second. Bitcoin, forget about it. Jimmy Two Shoes, love the Italian lingo going on over here. You know what I'm saying? Forget about it. Forget about it. Let's see. ETC pump. I don't know. Did you mean ETH or are you talking about something else? How do you execute a leverage trade? Great question. Blanchard's Bees. Thank you. I know you already liked and subbed. Thank you for that. So I won't ask you to hit the like button. We do have 194 likes, guys. I don't want to lower this to 200. Let's try to get to 210. We're at 194. Run it up, baby. Run it up, run it up, run it up. But yeah, Blanchard's Bees. How do you execute a leverage trade? Lucky for you, right after this live stream, I want to get up. I'm gonna walk over to that laptop over there. That laptop right there with the fancy lights, and I'm going to get on there, and I'm going to upload my Femex tutorial right after this stream, so you can watch it tonight, and I will show you exactly how to execute a leverage trade, and you can learn everything you need before the end of the day. So yeah, keep it out. Look out for that. What do you think? Stablecoin. Is a market cipher the only indicator you use, or do you use others with it? Good question, dude, bro. So I use market cipher. 196 likes. Just had to point that out, guys. We are creeping up to 200. Let's get it. Let's get it. How long have we been streaming for? Hour 42. Listen, if we get to 200 in the next 5 minutes, I'll just do the challenge. But anyway, dude, bro, back to your question. Is market cipher the only indicator I use? It is not. It's the main indicator I use. A lot of amazing information on market cipher, but I use a mixture of just traditional TA, traditional trading patterns, market cipher A, market cipher B, and then like a couple other indicators, but really just market cipher and traditional TA, just traditional patterns. But you definitely do not need, you definitely. It is not a necessity to have market cipher, although it is the most powerful indicator I've ever used, and it gives you an edge for sure. But I before market cipher I was using traditional TA, so I mean you could do that. I was using traditional TA with the free trading view. I mean I was I was low of the low. TD, love you, Frankie. Hey, TD, I love you too. I love you too, man. Forget about it. TD, what's your name? I feel like you need an Italian name, man. TD. I don't know if that's your name or what it is, but you need an Italian name. Oh, Ethereum Classic. That was what ETC was. So what do you use besides green dots? Okay, so real quick, Little Bird, I will answer that question real quick. Let me see if you decide to sell some of your holdings. Be careful trying to trade to make up losses. Emotionally and asking for trouble. Tyler Durden, louder for the people in the back. Great comment. Okay. I see 109. 201 likes. I see. All I had to do was say that if we hit 200 in the next 5 minutes, and you guys just ran it up right away. I didn't even realize. So 210. 215 or 250 was the original one, I think. 210. We can get 210. We still have a little bit of time left in the stream, guys. We got about 15 minutes left. If you guys want to hang, I will hang. If you guys can run it up to 215, then we're doing a crazy challenge. I'll do a challenge. In 15 minutes, I will do a challenge at 200. But if we run it up to 215 or 210 even, I'll do something nutty. I'll do something crazy. But anyway, let's see. Okay, so anyway, real quick, I think Little Bird asked, do I only use the green dots? No, I do not. There's a million different indicators jammed into Market Cipher. So there's tons of information. The green dots signify a bottom. There's little green dots, big green dots. Let's see. Oh, whoa. What do we got? But yeah, so the green dots signify bottom, and then you have the little green dots on the momentum waves, signifying a trend reversal. And then you have the RSIs. This is, I think this is like multiple RSIs in one. You have the money flow waves. You have the VWAP, which is really powerful. And then you have Market Cipher A. You have the momentum waves down here, which shows, the momentum of price, or okay, sorry, got ahead of myself there a little bit. You have the momentum waves here, the money flow indicating money flowing in and out of the asset, and then you get the little green dots, big green dots, RSI. We're going to go over all this in detail on the channel. There will be tutorials breaking it down, making it super simple for you guys. But then you have a Market Cipher A up here, which are these little icons that you see on top of the candles. I'm not going to go over everything, but we saw these yellow X's are a manipulation, and these usually bring us down a little bit, or quite a bit. And then you got, blood diamonds. As you can see, the blood diamonds like to bring us down quite a bit. You got the little diamonds, the red X's. You got all kinds of good stuff on here. You got these golden diamonds, which, usually when you see, when you see these kind of clustering up, I mean, we are looking at the 1 minute, but they indicate bullish momentum and bullish continuations. But yeah, tons of information, guys, on Market Cipher. Too much to go into right now. But yeah, so not just the green dots. I take all these indicators into account, as well as traditional TA and traditional trading patterns. And then once in a while, I'll throw on like a regular RSI or just look at like other random indicators. But this is mostly what I use. Like, this is what my chart looks like most of the time, including some trend lines. All right, let's see. 207, guys. We're so close to 210. Run it up to 210, guys, please. It's Tony. Tony, I knew you had an Italian name. Tony, what are you doing? Forget about it. Tony, go get the bagels. What are you talking about? You got to get the bacon, egg, and cheese. You know what I'm saying? Go grab me some mutts. I'm just kidding. I knew you had an Italian name, Tony. This guy playing coy. I'm kidding. I know Tony. That's one of my good friends. Thanks for coming in, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate you. Let's see. Playing coy. I like that. How much does Market Cipher cost? Let's check. But I'm not 100% sure. That's why I'm checking for you guys. But I know there is there's like, I think, a 6-month or a yearly subscription and then a lifetime subscription. If you go to the BitBoy Crypto deals page, I think you can get some sort of a discount if you sign up with their referral code. Let me see here if I can find the price. I don't know what it would be with the code, but if you go to BitBoy Crypto, I think you get a discount. I'm not 100% sure, but where is the price? Buy. Okay, yeah. So without any kind of discount or anything, it's $600 for 12 months, and then it's $1,500 for a lifetime. But yeah. Also, speaking of referral links, my Femex link is in. I'm going to put that in the description. Is it in the description? Yeah, maybe I should add it now. But I will. I'm going to be putting the Femex tutorial video out right after this, and my Femex referral link will be in the description there. If you guys want to sign up for Femex and start making profits trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down, make sure to click my referral code. It'll help out the channel, and I would appreciate it a lot. I hope if I'm providing you guys value, I get a little. You guys get to support the channel, and it costs you nothing. But yeah, and if you don't want to, it's totally fine too. I'll still teach you. I'll still help you. I still love you. Still part of the familia. You know what I'm saying? Tony Fibonacci. Yeah, so keep a lookout for that Femex tutorial, guys. It'll be out. What time is it? 8. It'll be out by 9. Probably before that. Depends on what time I get off the stream. It's 2 a.m. in Germany. FML. Guys, put hashtag Germany put hashtag something for Friedrich being up at 2 a.m. watching the stream. I appreciate it, man. I used to stay up at 2 a.m. and watch streamers too. I can't do it anymore, unfortunately, because of my schedule. But I appreciate that dedication. It's nice. I'm sure I'm not the only reason you're awake, but I'm glad that I could fill some of your time at 2 in the morning, man. I really appreciate it, and I will always say hi to you in the chat. Let's see. I'm a poor bub, needs something cheap for free. Little Bird, I assume you're talking about an indicator. Hey, I'm going to be teaching you how, to analyze the markets and find good entries for trades, whether you have Market Cipher or not. So don't worry about that. If you can't afford Market Cipher, we're going to teach you other strategies that do not involve Market Cipher, so you could still get in and still make money and still trade. No worries there. Let's see here. Yeah. Jonathan says, thank you for the information, Frankie, that you have given everyone. You are a legend. Jonathan, I'm going to call you Johnny because now you're part of the familia. Thank you, man. I appreciate hearing that. I'm glad I could help you. I'm glad I could provide value. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. A to pump or dump next move. Let's go back to the charts real quick. Let's see. A to pump or dump, right? I'm just going to make a call here. I'm just going to make it. Let's see. Let's go. Not look at the 1 minute. Let's see. Okay. You guys, what was that little laugh? Guys, do you know that TikTok trend that's like, go little rock star? That's kind of how I feel about ADA right now. This huge dump, and then it's just like trying to get up. It's trying to go up. Go little rock star. Go ADA. Go. All right. Let's see. Let's come down to the 4 hour. Boom. Let's pull up market cipher B. Okay. Okay, so probably going to get somewhat of a reaction off of here, getting a gold diamond. These gold diamonds typically are bullish. I call them bullish golden diamonds. But yeah, I'm expecting some sort of reaction off of this trend line up here, this blue line. Maybe it's a little bounce. Maybe we break out. We are coming into the green. With the money flow on the 4 hour. So maybe we bust out of here. Maybe we bust out of here and we break out a bit. We'll see. I'm going to go, if I had to guess off of like a 2-second analysis, I mean, hey, 4 hour money flow coming up. Oh, look at this. See a beautiful cluster of gold and diamonds, money flow. I'm going to say it's going to pump a little bit. I think we will see a reaction off of this level. Maybe we get a little reaction back down, but I'll say a little pause, so we'll at least come up and touch that line. Maybe it'll happen behind the end by the time we end the stream. Well, we'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep it down on the DGen chart. Look at this. All right, boom. Let's see if we can get up there and touch that line. That's my guess. Let's draw a little line here. See, we'll see. This is either going to age like fine wine or it's going to age like rotten milk, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll own it either way, guys. I mean, I looked at it for like 2 seconds. Anyway, moving on. Hey, let's check likes. Let us check the likes. What happened? My dashboard went away. What is going on? Let's see. Okay, there we go. 209 likes, guys. If we hit 215, I'm doing something crazy. We still have, we got about 5 minutes left. 5 minutes to run it up to 215. 5 minutes, 5 likes. We need 1 like every minute, guys. That's not hard. I know it's not hard. We got 78 people who stuck around for the whole stream. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Let's run that up to 215 while we wind down here. Let's see. Do you have Twitter alerts for when a good buy? Scott Martin Comedy. Scotty, you're part of the family now. Familia. Yes, I do have a Twitter. It's Frankie_Candles. I do post TA. I'm going to become much more consistent on that. Like I mentioned earlier in the stream, I'm kind of a one-man band right now as we bring people on, and we're just getting started here, right? So I got a lot on my plate. I do post charts. trade opportunities on Twitter, and it's only going to be happening more and more over time. So definitely follow me there, and keep an eye out. I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think I called. I know I called it on the BitBoy live stream, but let's see. Let's go to the daily. I think I did call. I know, like I said, I know I did on the live stream. What? Yeah, I guess it was. Why does this look so weird? Let me take off Market Cipher A. Guys, if I could tell you one thing, if I give you one piece of advice, keep your charts clean. Like on the live streams, I get lost on these charts sometimes, and I have lines from yesterday and the day before. But yeah, so it was this right here. So we did call this move up to this. Was it this line? I'm having trouble telling. But yeah, I think it was this move up and then this giant move down. I called it on the live stream, but I think I did put that on Twitter as well. So you would have known about that before it happened if you follow me on Twitter. Like I said earlier, I missed my entry on that giant trade. Unfortunately, I was doing something and I didn't see it happen. But I was happy to share the good info with everybody else. Super happy about how those played out. Let's see. And we can leverage trade Cardano as well. I believe so. Not 100% on that. Yeah, no. Femix does have Cardano. You can leverage trade Cardano on Femix. I just made a video and talked about it. I don't know why I couldn't remember that. Let's see. 212 likes. Guys, we're close. We're close, but no cigar, right? Close, but no cigar. We need 3 more likes. 3 more likes. How much time do we have left in the stream? Guys, we have 3 minutes left in the stream. I think that's meant to be 1 like for 3 likes in 3 minutes. That's all we need, and then I'm doing something. Unfortunately, it seems that this always does play out that I wound up doing a challenge. Every time I start a stream, I'm like, oh, will I get enough likes to do the contest and do the challenge? And then it always happens. So 3 likes, guys. If you're just sitting there on your phone, laying on the couch, watching this, just go out and hit the like button. You're getting something in return. 214. 1 more, people. 1 more. Come on, mi familia. 1 more like, please. Like this if you like the video. If you like mutz, right? Or mozzarella. If you like mutz, hit the like. 216. You guys love the cheese. I know you like the mutz because you guys love the cheese. Easy. 216. Boom. We're doing the challenge. Put it in chat. You guys win. Let me see what you guys want me to do. Are we pranking Deezy? Hashtag Bing Bong. Thank you for that, Connor. Long liquidations are definitely going to happen. We've had over 24 hours sitting in this area with everyone waiting for it to break out 39K. 218. Let's go. 220. God, are we going to be able to run this up to 250? I thought we had to lower it, but maybe we can get to 250. Do a backflip. Frederick, I wish I could do a backflip. I see people who could just stand on the floor and just do a backflip, like not on a trampoline. I envy that. That's really cool. I don't know how you learn how to do that. Like, how do you commit for the first time to just like try to do a backflip and not be scared of breaking your neck? I don't know, but it is impressive. 218 likes, guys. 72 live viewers. Thank you for being here. Let's see. Loving your energy, bro. From London. Let's go, Sam. I appreciate you tuning in from London. We have people coming in this show from all over the world. We had Argentina in there the other day, Germany, Poland. Like, we have everybody coming in here. So thank you for tuning in all the way from London. Shout out to you. Shout out to London. Let's see. 2-minute TA on Tether. 2-minute TA on Tether with a Long Island accent. All right. You want me to do like an old man, like an old, oh God, I know so many people like this. It's so funny. It's like, I feel bad doing the accent because I know people who actually act like this and talk like this, but it's funny. It's out of love. I could do like an old Brooklyn man. Let's see. I think that's funny. LOL. DZ prank. Gotta somehow make it look like an alien got to 20. Oh, so you want like a Pluto Alliance that sold like, oh my God, dude, Pluto Alliance just sold for like $15 million. And he like loses his mind for a second. I'll be honest. That would be hilarious. I think he'll see right through it right away. Just my relationship with him, if I went up and said that, like, he'd just be like, haha, okay. But maybe I could like Photoshop something. I don't know. Maybe we can. I'll think about that. Twitter confuses me. Me too, Blanchards. I'm with you there. Watching from Argentina. I knew. I think you were in here the other day, Nicholas. Nicolas. I don't know how to say your name. Sorry. But I don't know. Were you the one from Argentina that was in there the last week or something? If so, thank you for coming back and thank you for tuning in from Argentina. Appreciate that. Let's see. Shout out from Australia, Brendan. What is going on? I think you were in here the other day. Thank you for coming back. Smashing that like 220, guys. We're getting so much closer to 250 than I really kind of thought we were. 70 live viewers. All right, let's get to this challenge. Let's get to the challenge. What do you guys want to see me do? What are we doing? Prank and Deezy? Is that what we're going for? Don't forget about my Bitcoin daily rising wedge and wick request. Mojo, that was a perfect time for that comment. All right, we'll go over this really, really quick. Let's see. Let's see. Daily rising wedge. What? Oh God, I'm just clicking the wrong things all over the place. I assume this is kind of what you're talking about. Mojo, let me know in chat. You're kind of just talking about this, I believe, right? I forget what the original comment said. You just wanted me to take a look at it. Prank Deezy it is. All right. Are you guys letting me off easy today? 221 likes. I just got to prank Deezy. I don't got to do any backflips or push-ups. Let's see. Sweet. I got you, dog. Yep. Okay, yeah. Well, I don't remember what the... Yeah, you just wanted me to take a look at it, I guess. Yeah, I mean... let me come down a little bit so we can get some... Taking a look real quick. Boom, let's draw it out real quick. Bam. Boom. Quick and dirty, boys. Quick and dirty. I will say, Mojo, it's a bearish pattern. All right. But hey, doesn't mean it's 100% going to play out. But we all want this to break out. But I'll tell you this. I'm just going to say this. I'm ready for a long or a short. And hey, we've been rejected super hard off this level. I'd be surprised if we didn't see, if we don't break through this with gusto, I'm looking for a short. I will say that. And I will keep you guys updated on Twitter. Real quick, just a few more chats. 221 likes, guys. Thank you so much. 60 people left in chat. I appreciate it. Let's see. I think you should be there. Walk behind Ben on live stream without explanation. Hey, Scott, that's not a bad idea. Actually, funny story. Tomorrow, I will be probably walking behind him just to come on and do some TA. I'm going to be coming on the set now to do the TA in the morning. So I will be up there anyway. So maybe I'll just be kind of weird to Ben. I'll like hug him when I get off set or something. I don't know. But we'll keep it in mind. I'll prank Deezy tomorrow. I'll try to film it. I'll put it on Twitter. Maybe it'll be in the Hit Network videos, but I'll update you guys on that tomorrow. Let's see if we can get our outro music going. Let's get a little FaceTime here. Let's get a little FaceTime with my loyal people that stuck around till the end. Can we get this going? But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. Hang on, sorry about that. Let's get this music going. Boom. You guys like this music? This is the hit music, guys. They work here. They're awesome. They make sick beats. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for not making me, do a backflip or, eat a burrito in 1 second or chug-a-bang or whatever it is. Thank you for giving me the night off of my crazy challenges. I appreciate you all being here. I'm so happy that I can provide you guys value. I really like that. I've seen in chat that I am providing value and people are making money from seeing these streams. I love to hear that. 222 likes. That's a lucky number. Guys, on this channel, I'm showing you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. We're making bread here in the New York Bagel Factory. We're making that mutz. We're making that cheese, getting that feta. We're going to get this baguette, finagle the bagel, whatever you want to call it. We're making money. Thank you for being here. I love you all. I will see you tomorrow. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out.